the modern era, access to trading and investing is greater than ever. With so much information available and access to remote trading in a matter of seconds, investors can be extremely efficient. Now, in terms of trading platforms, there are numerous options out there. These trading platforms are online stock brokerage accounts. Now, brokerage accounts or trading platforms are companies that offer investing options through an electronic computer software program. Now, not all trading platforms offer the same services, and fees and commissions vary. So some of the brokers offer stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, crypto, and options, while others may not. Now, you must be 18 years of age or older to open a brokerage account on your own and begin stock trading using these platforms. So this video is going to highlight some of the top online trading platforms. Now, these are in no particular order, and it's important to conduct your own research and due diligence when making a final decision on the stock trading platform you're going to use. All right, first on the list is Charles Schwab and TD Ameritrade. Now, Charles Schwab has recently bought out TD Ameritrade, and all TD Ameritrade accounts are going to be moved to Charles Schwab. Now, Charles Schwab has been a broker for over 50 years and is one of the leading in the industry. Now, Charles Schwab offers a $0 trading for commissions on stocks, ETFs, options trading, and has a $0 cash account minimum. Charles Schwab is a great option for beginners due to its financial education options, especially after the TD Ameritrade merger. In addition, there are over 400 brick-and-mortar branches throughout the United States for in-person assistance. Schwab also offers a great research and scanner software. Now, Schwab has over 4,000 no-load transaction fees for mutual funds. Now, Charles Schwab does not have direct cryptocurrency investing, but it does have crypto ETFs. So absolutely consider Charles Schwab as an online broker. Next on the list is arguably one of the top online trading platforms, and that is Fidelity. Fidelity was ranked best online broker for everyday traders by Forbes.com and best overall by Investopedia. Like Schwab, Fidelity also offers $0 trade fees and a $0 account minimum. Fidelity offers great research tools, customer service, and offers a wide variety of investment options, including over 3,400 no-transaction mutual funds and 4 zero-fee index funds. Fidelity also offers a Fidelity crypto platform to trade coins for as little as $1. In addition, Fidelity also has spot Bitcoin ETFs and other crypto ETFs as well. ETrade is another popular as it was one of the first online stock trading platforms around. Investopedia ranked ETrade as the best for mobile investing and trading. ETrade has a $0 trade and commission fees and a $0 account minimum to open. ETrade has amazing online navigation, education tools, and offers a top mobile app for traders. ETrade is a great option for US-based traders, but does lack some of the international options. And it does not have cryptocurrency trading. So if you're looking for crypto trading, ETrade might not be the best option. Next on the list is the infamous Robinhood. Now, the Robinhood trading platform bursts on the scene with its commission-free trades. This launch revolutionized the $0 trade fee trend that all the big brokers use today. Robinhood is a good option for stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto. If you're looking for a hybrid broker of cryptocurrency investing in stocks, this might be your best bet. Robinhood does not offer mutual funds or index funds at this time. Robinhood is a good choice for beginners, especially if you're looking to do some cryptocurrency investing and stocks. Next up is Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is ranked best online broker for traders by Forbes and best for advanced traders by Investopedia. Like the others, Interactive Brokers has a $0 trade fee and a $0 account minimum. Now, Interactive Brokers allows trading in over 150 markets, over 200 countries. Interactive Brokers is great for international investing and offers advanced research tools through its outstanding trading platform. Interactive Brokers has stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, index funds, crypto, and options trading. Interactive Brokers is best for advanced traders that are ready for an overwhelming amount of information through its platform. Now, Vanguard is a large investment firm and has many investing options, but it does not have the best trading platform for active traders and has higher minimum requirements for fund options. In addition, Vanguard does not have a fractional share option or cryptocurrency options at this point. If you're looking more for long-term investing with blue chip companies, Vanguard might be an option for you, but otherwise it might be best to seek other options. So overall, the aforementioned online trading platforms are the best and most popular options for both advanced and beginning traders. As always, you have to do your own research to determine what stock trading platform is right for you. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you guys next time.